Well, since my white redneck roller coaster broke, because my dumb cat jumped up there and pushed it off, broke the entire front end, including the steering, and I can't fix it, I decided to swap the parts off it to make a new one. So I tore off all the redneck roller coaster parts, and this is what I came up with. Not just any model redneck roller coaster, a remote control redneck roller coaster. And it doesn't look too bad either. It's got all the same stuff: mini Dave, steering wheel, steering column, deer antlers, insane license plate, beer holder, wires, master brake cylinder, seat, everything including the ramp. And it works very well. It's got steering, forward and backward. And I brought it out to our old pool table here to show you how it works. I'm just going to put the camera down now. Here we go. The only kind of crappy thing is that it can't do front end wheelies and it can't do reverse wheelies because it's a rear wheel drive. Whoops. Shit. Damn it. Fuck. Damn it. Damn it. Oh crap, Dave's gonna fall off. Oh, there went Dave. Oops, sorry. Hope Dave isn't hurt. Well, I'll put him back in there after. Alright, that's my RC redneck roller coaster. Oh, the car is a Mazda RX-7. I got it from Walmart for $14.